Here at Hacksmith Industries, we use SOLIDWORKS, the best 3D design software in the business, to make stuff like this, and this, and this. Needless to say, we would not have been able to make it real over the years without the help of their game-changing software. And that's why we're so excited to help announce that SOLIDWORKS is changing the game again, this time for makers, hobbyists, and DIYers everywhere, with a new ultra-affordable offer just for you.
That's right. For the first time ever, we have a version of SOLIDWORKS that's just for makers. And if the opportunity to get SOLIDWORKS design software at a super low price for personal projects wasn't enough, you're also getting
next-gen cloud-based design tools like 3D Creator and 3D Sculptor that run on any device directly from a web browser, so you can make any type of designs from anywhere. The ability to collaborate with other makers and hobbyists like you from anywhere in the world, sharing your ideas, your 3D designs, and your questions and expertise with others who do what you do. Your own storage space on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform with SOLIDWORKS connected directly to it.
So are you ready to make it real? Check out SOLIDWORKS.com to learn even more about what's included and how you can get SOLIDWORKS today.